All right, hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about the most effective note-taking strategies that you need a lot in the future. Note-taking is very important. There are many ways to do it, but this is just to help you to be able to do it because in the future you're going to need it for studying for tests and all that different stuff, especially in your English and history classes. So it's perfect that we're talking about it right now. So these three pictures show three different ways of note taking. There are many different ways to note take. There's not like one single way to do it, but these three are just examples of what most people do when they do note taking. So on the left here is Cornell notes, and these are used a lot for people who are just starting out with note taking, so it could be great for you guys. Right here on the left, you can see that it says keywords, solids, liquids, and gases. This is obviously for a science class, but you could use it for anything. So keywords, when a teacher is talking about a topic in class, is just the things that you know are very important that you need to know, such as definitions or anything like that. So you put that in the keywords, and then the notes section on the right, you would put in all the different things you need to know about those specific keywords. And then at the bottom, you put a summary after the class of what you learned, what you need to review, all things like that. So this is a great way to start out note taking. The picture in the middle shows different boxes. Here it says like part A, part B. So those part A's and part B's, C's, D's, E's, those can all say different topics that you guys are learning in the class, and all the information about that specific topic or keyword can go in the box. And then the title up there is just the title of probably the class or the topic that you're learning, such as if you're learning about World War II, you would put that in the title, and then all the little things you learn about it, you would put in the boxes. And then the one here on the right is the outlining method, which is what a lot of people do when they are pretty solid at note taking. But if this makes more sense to you, you can obviously start out with it first. So it starts with number 1 and 2, you see on the left side of the little notebook. That is the topic or the keyword, and then the A's, B's, C's that go right below it are all the information that you put in to describe that keyword or topic. And that's just basically outlining. So those are 3 good ways of note taking, but if there is a different way you would like to do it, obviously we can help you through that as well. And then note taking's 5 R's. So recording, reducing, reciting, reflecting, and reviewing. So obviously recording is writing everything down, just as the 3 examples that I just showed you. Reducing it basically means that you are not supposed to write down every single word that you are putting in. That would not be good because you would just be writing too much. Again, it's only the key words and key information about those words that you need to put in. And then reciting, you're writing these notes for a test, so obviously you want to recite it and reflect on it and review it to make sure you know the information that you're writing down and you understand it. If you have any questions about the information, you would ask your teacher about it. So yeah, this is just a quick little overview on how to note take, and I hope it helped everyone out.